Welcome to this guided meditation for inner peace and relaxation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly release it through your mouth. Close your eyes and take a few more deep breaths, allowing yourself to relax and let go of any tension or stress. As you breathe in, imagine a bright light filling your body with positive energy and light. As you breathe out, imagine all your negative thoughts and feelings leaving your body, creating more space for the light to enter. Now focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, imagine all the tension leaving your body. Release any worries or concerns and let yourself fully relax. As you continue to breathe, focus on your heart center. Imagine a warm golden light emanating from your heart, filling your whole body with love and compassion. Visualize yourself in a peaceful place, surrounded by nature, and breathe in the fresh air. Feel the sun warming your skin and the gentle breeze brushing against your face. As you relax more deeply, repeat the following affirmations silently to yourself. I am worthy of love and happiness. I release all negative thoughts and emotions. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I trust the universe to guide me towards my highest good. Take a few more deep breaths, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel and carry this feeling of peace and relaxation with you throughout the rest of your day. Remember, the more you practice meditation, the easier it becomes to connect with your inner peace and the divine source. If you enjoyed this meditation, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe, because it's really important for me to keep on recording meditations for you. Namaste.